All right, so next up, we're going to have our second speaker. She goes by the name of Larissa Shedokova. She's from the Evolutionary Neurobiology Unit, and she is interested in aging and longevity. She's also a skilled dancer. Today, she'll be talking to us about the evolution of glia, lessons from the sea anemone. Give her a round of applause.
What's the difference between Einstein and Nematostella? Well, that's a simple question, you might think. The former is a smart human with a very complex nervous system. The latter is a rather primitive organism, a sea anemone, with the simplest nervous system. They look and behave completely differently. The trickier question is, what's similar between them? Well, the similarity is greater than you might assume. First, they share most of their genes. Second, they both possess various cell types, including neuronal cells, digestive cells, muscle cells. And third, they both possess a nervous system composed of two cell types interacting with each other: neurons, considered the mastermind, and glia, known as supportive cells. Well, this is not entirely correct. We don't really know if Nematostella has glia. Einstein, on the other hand, is known to have had a lot of glia. Well, more than an average human anyway, which means more than any other animal from the bilateral world, the world of animals with bilateral symmetry. So this is the aim of my research, to understand if Nematostella possesses glial cells and unravel the evolutionary origins of glia, to see if Nematostella is the Einstein of the Nigerian world, the world of corals, jellyfish, and sea anemones. What I found out in my research calls into question the consensus that glia emerged when the bilateral world started to thrive. First, Nematostella possesses all the genes required for cells to become glia. These are so-called transcription factors. There are several glial transcription factors in the bilateral world, but the one that is present in almost all bilaterians with glia is GCM. Amazingly, Nematostella possesses GCM as well. Second, Nematostella possesses all the extracellular clues that cells listen to decide to become glia. And finally, Nematostella possesses all the genes required for functioning in glia in bilaterians. Glial cells are busy cells. They process neurotransmitters, the chemicals that neurons use to communicate. They provide energy to neurons, they fight off pathogens, and many more. Nematostella possesses almost all the genes required to fulfill these functions. The question is, does GCM control these genes? If so, I might as well uncover the essence of glia, the minimum program required for glial emergence. Analyzing the morphology of GCM-producing cells will tell us if these cells are indeed glia. If yes, the evolutionary origins will become clear, and we might be amazed by the fact that neurons do not exist without glia. Who knows, maybe Nematostella is the Einstein of the Nigerian world.
Well, I thought they think I have more glial cells than the sea anemone.
I would hope so.
I hope so too.
If you're asking that question, I might as well say I have more glia cells than you.
Maybe, probably. Okay, so